sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में admissions open.
After 6 separatist slogans were raised at a public event in Toronto in attendance of PM Justin Trudeau, India on Monday summoned the Canadian Deputy High Commissioner expressing the country's deep concern over the matter. The Ministry of External Affairs conveyed strong protest at such disturbing actions being allowed to continue, which illustrates that the country gives political space to separatism, extremism and violence. The shocking incident comes amid sour diplomatic tensions between the two countries over Ottawa's baseless allegations on India. Following the incident, MEA not only lodged strong protests against anti-India slogans being raised in Canada in the presence of PM Justin Trudeau, opposition leader Pierre Poilievre and Trudeau's ruling coalition partner Jagmeet Singh, but also expressed deep concerns about permitting such separatist expressions which will directly impact India-Canada relations and encourage a climate of violence and criminality in Canada, stated MEA. Previously, PM Justin Trudeau had upset India with baseless allegations showing solidarity with the Sikh separatists in Canada and their anti-India movement. Now, India has yet again protested against similar disturbing anti-India actions that continue to go unchecked in Canada in the presence of its prominent leaders. The Canadian government's policies of not taking any stringent actions against evident Hinduphobia and anti-India activities in Canada, even after repeated appeals by the Indian government, have cost the country its considerable equation with India for a while now. Since the past year, several Sikh separatist elements have been linked to vandalism of Hindu temples and even attacks on the Indian High Commission in Ottawa and the Indian diaspora. However, Justin Trudeau has not only failed massively to address these concerns but also refuses to take any stringent actions, thus further deteriorating ties between the two nations.